Writing love on paper sheets, ink-stained dreams beneath the beads, folded cranes and whispered sighs. Our love's a poem in the skies. Ripped the pages, lost the grace. Silent echoes left their trace. Paper hearts in winds they glide, fluttering beyond the tide. Paper heart can't tear apart, mended edges scarred by art. Though we fold, we won't be torn. In this chaos we are born. Pressed the flowers, memories stay. Sun-kissed hopes have flown away. Origami, our lives entwined. In our creases, stories find. Ripped the pages, lost the grace. Silent echoes left their trace. Paper hearts in wings they glide, fluttering beyond the tide. Paper heart can't tear apart, mended edges scarred by art. Though we fold, we won't be torn. In this chaos we are born. Press the flowers, memories stay. Sun-kissed hopes have flown away. Origami, lives entwined. In our creases, stories find. Rest the flowers, memories stay. Sun-kissed hopes have flown away. Origami, lives entwined. In our creases, stories find. Raindrops blur the ink, then dry. Our paper hearts will touch the sky. Frail yet strong, in love we trust, even when we turn to dust. Seasons change, but we'll remain, holding on through all the pain. Every fold a journey starts, love written in our paper hearts. Writing love on paper sheets,